Let's talk about WMF 2-in-1 Salt and Pepper Shaker Set. Dispenses salt and pepper from a single compact assembly pepper shaker nests in larger salt shaker. Sleekly elegant and brushed 1810 stainless steel where the base of each shaker can be removed for easy filling. Measurements: salt shaker 7 cm high and diameter 4.4 cm, pepper shaker 8 cm high and diameter 2.2 cm. A centerpiece for your kitchen and table. Long-lasting, rust and acid-proof product. This is a classy and quirky design. Really nice to hold and use. Have put salt in the bigger pot, pepper in the smaller pot, which does mean you have to take out pepper pot before you can use pepper pot, but otherwise you'd have to keep refilling the salt cellar. We have found best to put in fine ground pepper for it to run smoothly. It's a beautiful thing. It does the job really well and it looks really nice with our kitchen. The silver, metallic look was really great and made it look really nice. Arrived quick, looks smart.